NOTIPLANETA.COM. Noticias, deportes, economía, actualidad, agro, industria. Tu canal.
I think putting the date and time into law is as much of a symbolic commitment as anything else.
If you're watching the news and you hear a sex sound blaze out of it,
they ain't gonna pick that up, trust me.
It come from us. We don't know. It might come out. We'll see.
I think she's live now. She's got a script down. Go. Go.
These arguments in the past. So, will Lord Kerr's intervention, make any difference? Well, on the one hand, his arguments do add some legal to the government that there is still room for a U-turn, a possible rethink or even another referendum on Brexit. On the other hand, his intervention has caused some...
One more, go, keep going.
That it is an absurd and pointless statement, and you always run the risk that by intervening on Brexit in this way...
One more, keep going, she's going live, she's live now, keep doing it.
...referendum originally delivered.
Emma, thanks very much. Emma Vardy there for us.
Oh, she's go again. Oh my God.
Are you ready, guys? BBC News.